All right, guys. Yeah, these will hold up to 2009 to 2000, I think 19. 4 flex, and you come with 3 wiper plates. Man, they've lasted 1 whole summer on my other car and a winter, and the Ford Escape, and they're under $30. And I'll put a link in the description for you guys, and you get 3 wiper blades. You get the front and you get the rear, so it's way worth it, man. If you go to AutoZone or Checkers, each wiper blade's like almost $20 a piece, guys. Sometimes they're even more just for 1 wiper blade. So you're gonna spend over $70. You're gonna be under $30 in this, and they're pretty decent so far. After the 2 seasons, they're still working fine. So you're gonna have different size wiper blades. On this one, you have a 24-inch, 22-inch, and a 12-inch. Okay, the bigger one goes to the driver's side, and the next one goes. The 22-inch goes to the passenger side, and the little one goes in the back. So we're gonna show you how to do them all. So let's get to it. We're going to try to do the driver's side. You can flip up your wiper blade, and we're going to do the 24-inch. That's the bigger wiper blade. We're going to be doing the 24-inch wiper blade, the bigger one here. First, we're going to take this one off. As you can see, there's a little tab under here. I hope you guys can see this little tab right here. And the blade goes like a hook. So we're going to push it down. We're going to push this tab down. You can see that tab right there. We can see that tab. Push down, comes down. You got to put a little force, and you got to push it down a little bit, and then comes right out. See? So that's how this style works. Little tab. See the tab right there? You just push it down, and it sits inside this groove. All right, guys, we got the new one, which is a little different. Just the flap, it looks like this. So you just pop it up, and you just got to slide it in between that hole right there. Hope you guys can see that little hole. And it's just like the other one. As you can see, the other one had like a little lever right here. That's what we used to unlock it. This little lever, we pushed it and then pulled down. And now we're gonna put the new one on. You can pull it all the way out like that. And we're just going to tuck it under there. You'll hear like a snap, and push it in there. You should hear a snap. You don't want to go down it, and this will keep it in when you push this down. And there you go, guys. That's it. And let's go to the passenger side. We're gonna do this passenger side one. So we get a bit, so I hope you could see that right there. I'm pushing the tab in, and I'm pushing downward, and it comes right out. I hope you can see that. And the little thing came in there, and it comes right out. Now we're gonna put the other one on, the passenger side blade. All right, guys, and this is the one. It's the same style, just has an extra feature. Got to pull this tab up. Pop it up all the way, and we are going this way. Yeah, this way. We're gonna go this way. Yeah, watch out, don't break your windshield. All right, just be careful. All right, so we're gonna put this in. Hope you guys can really see that. You might have to just kind of work it in there a little bit. You just got to get in that groove down in there. Hope you guys can see that right in there. It's pushed in there, and you're gonna hear a little click. So now it's clicked in, it's locked in. You didn't really hear it click too much, but it's clicked in. Lock that in. And you gotta take this little cover off too, I forgot. Make sure you take this little sheath off. Put that down. And now we're gonna go to the back. A flathead screwdriver is very simple. You just go between here, as you can see in there. And you wanna have a smaller screwdriver, and you just pry it forward. Doesn't take much. It pops right out, guys. And you can see there's a little notch in here. And you take the new one and wipe it off a little bit, and then you just put the new one back on. It should click, and there you go. All right, guys, hope that helped you out. Please like and subscribe. All the wiper blades will be in the description. Click there, and bring you right to these wiper blades. They're way cheaper. And please like and subscribe. Leave a comment, guys. Like, dislike, or like. And thanks, guys. I appreciate you watching. Hope that helped you out. Bye.